Dog food and cat food. Which is better? All right, so here's the dog food. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, good gravy. Gosh, it tastes just like, it's like tasteless spam or something. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know about that one. And here's the cat food. It doesn't look much better, but it's a lot more soupy. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It literally tastes like glass cleaner. Oh my gosh. Well, they're both terrible, but I think the dog food barely edges out the cat food, but they're both disgusting. Ugh. I honestly don't even recommend giving these to your pets, let alone try them yourself.